Hey beautiful people, how are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. Now I am um, sitting on the roadside under the uh, culvert because the original road transport road is off, and now I am sitting on the low side, and look at this, and look at my backside. There is a uh, total environment and total tree color is converted into brown or red color. Because why? Uh, it made only the roadside dust, because lots of heat dust blowing on the site, and uh, tree color and any green color convert into brown color. Look at this, it's totally shape change. All the ground into brown color. So